Today we're going to be talking about my 5 winter essentials that I can't live without that keep me hydrated during the winter time. If you're like me and get really dry skin during the winter, these are the products that I like to use that keep me hydrated throughout the winter. If you're like me, you like more clean beauty products, preferably ones that are a little bit better for you, less chemicals. The first product that I'd like to talk about is the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter. It is amazing. Just like it says, it's ultra hydrating body butter, but it's not too thick. It has a really nice texture to it. It's thick enough so that it feels very hydrating, but thin enough that it's easy enough to spread. So I love this. It takes some time to soak completely in your skin. Here's a little bit of a close-up so you guys can see the texture. And if I put some on my hand, it's just so hydrating. I always use this stuff every single day. My hands are especially dry right now too, so I like to keep this sometimes by my bedside as well so that I can put it on my hands before I go to sleep so they're nice and hydrated when I wake up in the morning. It takes a little while to dry, like I said, but once you give it a few minutes, you'll feel that there's something there, but it won't be oily and it won't be greasy. It'll just feel super smooth and hydrated. So I love the way my legs feel after I apply this cream. It's amazing. It also comes in various scents. So this scent that I have right here is jasmine. You can get scents such as sweet citrus, unscented, which is the one that I had last, and I would stick with that because you can actually, I've used it on my face when I ran out of my facial moisturizer and my under eye cream, and it's also been really good for that. Vanilla bean, vanilla apricot, and a few other scents. This one, it's supposed to smell like jasmine. I don't know, it kind of has like this old flower smell. So this one's not my favorite, but as you can tell, I've been using quite a bit of it regardless. This is probably my 5th container of this throughout the last 5 years because of how amazing it is. My second essential to use during the winter time is the Honest Beauty Organic Beauty Facial Oil. There's quite a bit of this. It lasts forever. So it's basically a blend of all different types of fruit extract or fruit blended oils. So it looks like it has avocado oil in it, which contains fatty acids to soften the skin. It's got apricot oil, rose, ylang ylang oil, and the chia seed oil and jojoba oil moisturize and nourish the skin. You can use this alone or with a moisturizer. I prefer to mix it in with my moisturizer because then it's easier to spread on my face. This is a very affordable facial oil. It's about $25 for a full ounce, and all you need is about 2 or 3 drops on your face. Unlike some of the oils in Sephora, as we know, 1 ounce of oil could be like upwards of $50 to $100, which is ridiculous. It has a really nice natural smell. It opens like this, so with like a little dropper, and all you need is 2 or 3 drops. Sometimes I use 5 or 6 just because I like to put a little bit more. And I've always loved Honest Company products. You can check out my Honest Company unboxing and mini review down below. I'll link the video in the description. It only made sense for me to try the Honest Beauty after I've tried and loved Honest Company products in general. The next product I have is Keill's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. It is the loveliest color of green. This is a bit of the texture for you guys to see. It's a really nice, thicker cream. I'm going to put some on my hand for you there. It's just really nice, and it's so nourishing. It's so moisturizing and so comforting to put this under your eyes at the end of the night. It's one of my favorite things to do in my nighttime routine is to get this little bad boy out and spread it all over my eyes, and I also put it on my eyelids. Again, I'm more of a fan of natural ingredients in my skincare products, so this is another clean beauty sort of brand. I haven't been too impressed with the face moisturizer or their toner, but I've really been a fan of this creamy eye treatment. I think this is probably my 3rd or 4th tub of this cream. When you put this under your eyes, it doesn't migrate into your eye area, so it's not irritating. You can feel the nice hydrating layer that it leaves on your skin, and then when you wake up in the morning, your eyes don't feel dry. This really refreshes my eye area day and night. But yeah, it's really amazing and I love it. My next favorite, most beloved little thing is my Tatcha lip balm. It's the Camellia Gold Spun Lip Balm. I think featured this in my last winter favorites video. I will also link that video down below, but that was previous packaging. The previous tub of this was actually glass. Now they've changed it into plastic. I think they decreased the price though, but it smells amazing. It smells so fresh. This is my most favorite lip balm in the entire world. This is the pretty packaging. Inside, I have almost literally nothing left. If you guys can tell, there's a little bit of golden flakes in there. It's got camellia oil in it, obviously, as it's named after. So it's got that 23 karat gold shimmer in it. You can see the sparkle from the gold if you put enough on your lips, but I just don't really see the point. I love the lip balm just for the fact that it's so intensely hydrating. I can't stress to you enough how many lip balms I've tried over the years that have not hydrated my lips in the least, and I've had to reapply over and over again. This you put on at night and you still feel it on your lips in the morning, and it's so comforting. I love it. I definitely attribute this lip balm to healing my chapped lips in the wintertime, for sure. In my opinion, a must-have. And the last but certainly not least favorite thing that I like to use during this time of year, it's my Scentsy Vanilla Bean Buttercream Hand Cream. I've had this for about 2 months now or so, and I've fallen in love with it. I am definitely ordering this in my next Scentsy order. I will definitely be making a video on that. My next Scentsy video is going to be an unboxing and sniffing of all my Scentsy products, so stay tuned for that. But it's not so much the scent that I'm crazy about. The scent is nice. It's buttercream frosting, vanilla, and cane sugar. So it's really nice for this time of year because it's getting into the colder months. Well, it's definitely cold. But look at the texture. It's the texture that I am amazed with. So it's kind of has this almost like a whipped butter texture. It's just so smooth and hydrating. It absorbs instantly, and this lasts for a long time. You just need the tiniest bit on your hands and you can feel the lasting effects of this cream. There's at least probably 10 different scents on the Scentsy website that I saw right around making this video, so check those out. If this isn't available, I'm sure there's another scent that you would love. This is the only hand cream that I have from them, but I'm definitely going to be getting more. If I had more of these, I would leave one at my bedside, one in my purse, one in my car, just everywhere because I can't get enough. I used to use the L'Occitane hand cream. You can buy that at Sephora, but it's so overpriced and you just get the tiniest amount. This one I love so much better, and it's a lot cheaper. Besides the vitamin E that I see and the aloe and things that are a little bit more better in terms of ingredients, I do see a few different types of alcohols in here, so I'm not sure why that is, but it's not drying at all. So maybe those alcohols are what makes the cream have such a nice, smooth, silky texture to it. Did I miss mentioning some of your favorite moisturizing products for wintertime? Let me know what types of products that you recommend. It gets to be really cold here in Canada, so I definitely need the most moisturizing products that you guys can recommend. So let me know in the comments below if you like these types of videos. I'll be sure to make another 5 favorites in the next coming seasons, so spring and summer and fall. Yeah, so let me know if you enjoyed that. There'll be more videos coming up soon, so please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss what's coming next. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!